Hey, it's David Farmer, and today we're going to jump back into Intice360, our next-gen digital dealership website package that's going to include a primary dealership website and all of our conversion tools. I posted a video a couple weeks ago talking about this next level solution that we're bringing to the marketplace. We're currently looking to gather some beta dealerships. I've had a lot of excitement about this. So if you're a dealer that's looking for a new website platform, something that's new, different in the marketplace, and are interested in beta testing this platform, please reach out to me. But today what I want to do is I want to focus in on some of the enhancements that we have made to this platform over the last couple weeks. So let me go ahead and first of all, let me share what I'm going to be talking about today. So today we're going to be looking at our model research pages. So our model research pages, what this is designed to do is to be able to provide customers the type of research page that they're accustomed to by going to an OEM website. A lot of research out there right now showing that customers are spending more of their time researching vehicles on a dealership website and not going to the OEM site. So being able to have a dealership website that provides an OEM style model research page is going to keep customers on your dealership website, and we can give those customers the opportunity to convert into a lead, which then gives you the opportunity to engage that customer into retail activities. That's the first thing that we're going to cover. Next thing that we're going to look at today is going to be our service specials. Now, one of the things that I've noticed with most dealership websites, when it comes to the service pages, it really is something that is an afterthought. And from a digital marketing standpoint, looking at engaging service customers and providing service offers is something that's extremely important. But being able to tie the experience from that ad to a landing page experience really gets lost. And what I mean by that is if you go to your dealership website, if you go to other dealership websites, and you go to a service specials page, generally what you're going to find is a whole bunch of listings, maybe coupons, or maybe just an image of the special itself, all on kind of one page where you got multiple offers, which is great, and you should have that, but you should also have an individual detail landing page for any of the advertisements that you have running out there. So if you're having a lube oil filter or an alignment or a buy 3 get 1 free tire special, if you're running that on Facebook or on Instagram or any other platform and you drive a customer to your dealership website, that landing page should be all about that offer, and then giving a customer the ability to either register for that offer or get that offer sent to their email or their phone, print that offer out, or to schedule an appointment from that offer page. And that's what we're going to be able to do with our service specials service specials page. And we're going to show you exactly what that looks like. All right. In addition to that, we're going to look at the model specials. So as we've talked about in my previous video, a big part of the solution that we have built in this Intice360 package is the availability to incorporate monthly specials. Monthly specials, I think, really should be the cornerstone of the website experience. When a customer arrives at your dealership website, they're going to want to engage with you many times around a particular model. If we give them a model offer, like, for example, the way that we feature it in our sliders or right underneath there with our video offers, then you're going to be able to engage that customer and then funnel that customer into some sort of lead gen technology. Again, getting that lead to your internet sales department so they can start that dialogue around selling that customer a vehicle or answering questions, starting with that, right? Okay, another thing that we are going to be looking at today is going to be our video specials and how the video specials correspond to the monthly ad specials. And then we're going to be spending a little bit of time looking at the incorporated technology, lead gen technology, or digital retailing technology that comes with our Intice360 website platform. So with that, let's go ahead and share this screen over here. And I can kind of show you our Intice360 website platform. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to see here is that we have these full image sliders. Now, what's great about these full image sliders is they are formatted and compressed into a WebP image format. Google loves the WebP image format. It really becomes a very fast loading image. And it's going to score extremely well for that page load speed or a Google Lighthouse test to be able to provide the customer an overall great experience. Customer can look through these. They will automatically slide through as you would expect them to. But it's going to bring in these big, beautiful images from the OEM. And then it's going to bring in all of the monthly ad specials, like as you see right there. A monthly lease program, a special APR if there is one. We can even reduce that down to $1 per day lease special, showing great offers for all of the vehicles that you offer. I also want to take a minute and talk about the difference between the desktop experience and the mobile or tablet experience. So we've had this really cool opportunity to start from scratch when it comes to building a website platform. No legacy thinking. We're not building upon a platform that we've had for a long time. We really were able to reimagine what a dealership website should look like for 2023 and beyond, focusing on what that mobile experience was a big part of that initial design. So let me go ahead and share my mobile screen with you real quick. Let me make sure I have this up. All right, so let me share my iPhone screen. And what you can see here, this is my iPhone that I have. I just have it mirrored right up there so you can see it as well. And you can see that the first thing that we did is we made a mobile-sized version of that monthly ad special. It looks fantastic on the mobile screen. It's incorporating all of those monthly offers, a little bit different format, a little bit different image size. So it's going to take up more of that mobile screen. So this is definitely fully optimized for a mobile experience. And then you can see here as I just scroll up a little bit, we have the big, bold CTAs, shop new, shop pre-owned, schedule service visit, and then get real offer. So those are our strong primary CTAs that we have right there. And if we look at it on the desktop again, you're going to see that we have these CTAs right there in the middle. Now, one nice thing that we have on the desktop version is it's semi-transparent, so you can really see that whole image. But as soon as I hover over there, the images turn that darker color. And these conversion buttons you're going to find throughout our entire website experience. This is a design that we've created. And we really love the way that we can create these split buttons or half buttons and incorporate that through the overall customer experience. So let's go ahead and look at my iPad screen again, because we want to see what that website looks like on the iPad as well. So you can see here, this is what that tablet experience is going to look like. We have the desktop shaped image going across the top. So these are all of our image sliders. We have our strong CTAs right there in the middle, and then we can, of course, we can scroll down from there and get into our video specials. But to look at those, we'll look at that on my desktop. So one of the things I want to talk about is the model specials and the video specials and how we're incorporating that multiple places throughout the dealership website experience. So first of all, we have the monthly special right here. And if I click anywhere, it's going to bring me to this specials landing page. Specials landing page is going to include things like our 360 spins, have a strong call to action to search inventory, but we're also going to bring in other CTAs such as scheduling a test drive or getting a trade-in value or sell us your vehicle or get pre-qualified on the specials page as well. So highly optimized for conversion throughout the site. And a customer can search inventory right from here. Now, if I go back to the home screen, I come down here and you can see that we have these monthly specials. I'm going to go ahead and play this video for you real quick. And what's cool about these videos is we have one built for each one of the offers that we have running. We're going to focus on a unique selling proposition, or if there's any branding going on that month, we're going to bring this up. And as soon as the customer clicks on one of these, it's going to go ahead and start that video right from the beginning. I'll go ahead and play it for you right now.
Right now at Brandon Honda, you can get low APR financing with zero down payment on new Hondas. Plus, receive over $5,000 in benefits and savings with our Advantage Club, backed by a real nationwide lifetime warranty. Get all the facts at BrandonHonda.com.
So it's going to play that video. So we have the videos placed here. We have the monthly specials up here. And then we also have a special page on the dealership website that has all of these monthly specials. So I can go ahead and play or look at any of those videos right here.
Right now at Brandon Honda, you can get
and then if there's any other videos, we can have there as well. What's great about this page is it does allow us for video SEO. So Google will rank videos, and they will crawl them as long as they're placed on a dealership or on a website in a specific way. And the tool and the technology that we're utilizing does exactly that. So it is going to index those monthly specials that will show up in search engine results. So we got specials, we got our video, full video page, we got our specials landing page that's going to correspond with all of those offers. Customer can search right there, right from these pages and go into these the inventory pages. Now, if I come in here, another thing I wanted to talk about today was our model research page. So if I go to new, and then go to research, we're going to go to our research pages. So our research pages are designed to have like a search results page or an SRP. And then we can also come in here and we can filter down to what models might be important to us to be able to see. So I can filter all of these results. And then from there, I have these individual search results page listings for each one of the models that I have. So if I want to open up and look at the Civic, now we have, or this is the Civic SI. Let's go ahead and go into the regular Civic. That's going to give us a little bit more information. So the Honda Civic sedan, and again, this is all indexed information. So this adds to the SEO for your dealership. So this is a custom landing page for your dealership website, and what the information that we're going to provide to the customer is going to be all of the different trim levels that are available, the starting MSRP, just like you would expect to find on Honda.com. And then what we've also done is incorporated all these big, beautiful images for the vehicle and that trim level. So you can see here, in this case, we're featuring the Touring model. Got all these great images a customer can look through. All of these are going to load up super fast. These are all WebP images as well, so they're going to index they're gonna index well, of course, but they're also going to load up quickly when a customer visits your dealership website. We also have an integration with Chrome data. So for all of the different models, we're going to be able to bring in all of the features for that vehicle, whether it's going to be exterior and appearance items, whether it's going to be convenience items. And all of this, again, is going to be indexed, providing great SEO, technology, fuel economy, emissions information, original warranty information, in-car entertainment information, comfort and convenience information. All of that is going to be available for each one of our models, giving the customer the ability to really research each individual model and the different trim levels that you have. In addition, what we're going to do is we are going to include these interior panoramas. So you can see there, I can look around. This is all from our video partner. We have this completely integrated, big, beautiful images. And then what we can also do, and actually if I come over here, here's a different one. We can also look at the exterior spins. So this happens to be the CRV. So I can take this vehicle and I can spin it. But watch this as well. I can look at all the different colors that are available for that vehicle in these 360 spins. So we got the exterior spins where I can come in here and I can spin and look at all the different images. I can also, again, look at this. I can zoom in if I want to. You can see how close I can zoom in there. I want to look at the dash. A lot of flexibility, a lot of really smooth experience that a customer can have. Great imagery, again. Tons of different images are available and all the different trim levels. So that is the model research page. And then from there, let's talk about the service page. And actually, if I come back here and I go to my new vehicle specials, so this really makes sense to have a new vehicle special page that works like this. So this is all of the different monthly specials that we build out. You can see that we build one out for each of the different models. On the new vehicle specials results page, a customer has access to what is special about that. In this case, the lease special, the special APR, the national rebate programs. I got access to my digital retailing tool, so I can schedule a test drive or get pre-qualified right from my search results page. Or I can jump in, or I can filter, of course. So if I just want to see the Cord, the HRV, and let's say the Pilot, I can look at just those, so I can filter based on that information. Then if I want to see the HRV special, I can come in here. I want to get more information about that special. I can do that right from there. Those also become lead gen opportunities where a customer can email that information right to themselves. Or I can schedule a test drive. I can jump right into our Visa Test Drive technology, or any of our other solutions like getting pre-qualified with our pre-qualification technology. Customer can do that right from this page. Other information, all this information about the vehicle disclosures, disclaimers, everything else. So we have a search results page for the specials, and we have the individual specials landing page. So when a customer comes to the dealership website, they go to new vehicle specials. Of course, they're going to come to this page here, but if they want to come in and get more information, we have an individual landing page for that. Now, this becomes an advertisement that you can place on Facebook or Instagram or any place else. You can even use our monthly videos for YouTube advertisements, and you can drive customers to these individual landing pages. So if a customer sees that $439 a month Pilot ad, they click on that $439 a month Pilot ad, or the 3.9%. They're going to be provided with all the information about that, and then from there, the customer, of course, can search inventory or get more information, etc., on this landing page. Now, we do the very similar thing for our service specials. So instead of just having a landing page with the service specials, we do have the ability to have custom service special detail pages. So we also give the customer the ability to filter based on any of the different departments that you might have, whether it's a parts special, a Honda service special, an express special. They can look at the offer details, or right from here, we can use the CTA schedule service. But if I just come in here, we can look at this schedule service page. And then this also can be that landing page from any advertisements. I mean, can you imagine if you were a customer and you saw an alignment special, and when you click the link, you either just go right to the main service page, or you go to the home page of the dealership website, or you go to a listing of 10 different specials, and then you got to hunt and find what you're looking for, which is that alignment special. We have the ability to do this right here, and then the customer can send this right to their email if they want. They can print the special out if that's what they want to do, or they can schedule service. You can drop that customer right on whatever schedule service program you have on your dealership website. So if I come back over here, so today what I wanted to do was we wanted to talk about the model research page. So we did that. We looked at the model research page with the 360 spins and the model research landing page. We looked at the service specials. We looked at the model specials. We looked at the video specials. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and look at the incorporated technologies. And to do that, let me come back over here to my desktop. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to go to my test environment. So the test environment is going to give me access to a couple different things. Number one, it's going to give me access to our credit score technology, which I can do with a fake customer. So right here, you can see down the bottom left-hand side of the website, we have our own icon bar. This isn't going to send the customer away from your dealership website like most do. What this is going to do is going to give the customer the ability to engage with these different digital retailing technologies. Now, one of the things that you'll notice right here is that we do have the ability to securely store the customer's information once they convert into a lead through any one of our technologies. It's going to store that customer's information. So in this case, we've got first name, last name. I'm going to enter in the customer's home address. And then from here, everything else is going to pre-populate, and then I can go through this program. So this is our loan maker technology. The loan maker technology is designed to entice the customer to convert into a lead by being able to get their free credit score. And so this is one of our stronger lead gen technologies today. It seems like the popularity or the usage of our tools kind of depends on the rest of the environment. Right now, credit is a little bit tight and interest rates are a little bit higher. This is more of a top of mind conversion for customers. So we can convert customers getting them pre-qualified. So I'm going to go ahead and click the next button right here. We do have a two-factor authentication system. This is going to add a level of security for your customer. And what I can do is I can go right into and I can show you what this actually looks like. So you can see here we get this email. That is the number right there. I can go ahead and just enter it in over here. So I've entered in that two-factor authentication. It's going to bring me to the next step. We also have an added layer of security. If we identify any IP address or individual device trying to look up multiple credit scores, we are going to add a level of security where a customer has to enter in the last 4 of their Social Security. Since this is my test, of course, I've done it multiple times. I'm just going to type in the customers, our fake customers' last four of their social security number. Now, I want you to look what happens when a customer gets their credit score. We get this really cool animation. We have this confetti. We have a pre-qualification certificate. And then from here, I can continue to complete a full credit application. So this is true digital retailing technology. This is giving a customer the ability to take a lot of the steps that they would be doing in the dealership showroom, but doing it right on a dealership website in a really cool user experience. So I'm gonna say, okay, I'm gonna accept that this is gonna be a real credit application. I'm gonna say I do have a mortgage. Another thing I want you to notice is this modern approach to lead generation. So this really provides a modern experience for the customer, optimized for desktop, mobile, and for tablet. It really feels more, now let's say that I am employed, because I probably want to be able to get a loan. Let's say I work for Acme. I'm a manager there, right? But I mean, compare this to the credit application system you have in your dealership website right now. Now this is going to integrate with both Route 1 and DealerTrack, which takes care of like 99% of the dealerships out there right now that you're going to utilize either one of those two platforms as a decisioning engine to be able to submit applications to your lenders. So these applications are going to show up right in either DealerTrack or Route 1, fully vetted, and we are fully secure to be able to get this information. You even have kind of a really cool digital signature. I can add a co-applicant. I can complete the process. Now what I've done is I've gotten pre-qualified. My credit score was between 706 and 726. You can see here where that fits along in the entire range from 580 and below to 800 and above. There's my pre-qualification certificate. And then here also is my application receipt. So this is the application number that we got back from the Route 1 system or the DealerTrack system. It'll show up right there. So if a customer comes into the dealership with this, this becomes a great handoff. So the customer can print this off, bring it into the dealership. And when they bring it into the dealership, you know, first of all, you know what the customer's credit score is, and then they have this pre-qualification certificate. So it's really bridging the gap between what happens online and what is happening in your dealership showroom. So that is Loan Maker or our Credit Score Express technology. Of course, this is going to get emailed to the customer. They're going to be able to bring this into the dealership, and then you have this as well right in the back end of our system. We also include a link to this certificate right in the ADF XML lead that we send to your dealership CRM. So that is our Loan Maker technology. And, while I'm talking about the ADF XML, one of the challenges I see from a lot of dealership websites and a lot of dealers that we work with, of course, we have our lead gen tools on their existing dealership website. And a lot of dealers want to have us utilize our system to really track the overall effectiveness of, let's say, some advertising campaigns or create custom landing pages that have our tools incorporated on them. Because when our leads come into the dealership's CRM, we have a very structured approach to the way that we create our ADF XML. We have a source, we have a subsource, we know exactly what tool, what page, what campaign a customer engaged with when that lead comes into the dealership CRM. And all of our reporting is able to quantify all of those different conversions. Well, the great news is that all of that technology and structure comes with all of the leads that are converted from our Intice360 websites. So all of the leads are going to be highly structured, and it's going to be able to provide you an additional level of insight into the leads that are being converted either through the digital retailing technologies or anywhere throughout your dealership website on different landing pages. So now I'm back over here, and let's say I got pre-qualified and I've not visited the dealership showroom yet. I come back to the dealership's website. I'm already logged into the system already because I've unlocked the pricing on vehicles. And let's say I want to go ahead and schedule a test drive. So I can do that right from our icon bar down here, or what I can do is I can, of course, search for a vehicle. Now, this is our test site, so not all of the data is coming over properly on here. But let's say this is the vehicle that I want to buy. I can schedule a test drive right from this CTA button. That's going to open up this schedule test drive tool, and you can see right here that all of this information just pre-fills out, and I can complete my registration. I can schedule my appointment day, my appointment time. I can let the customer know, or the dealership know, what vehicle I'm considering next, although we've already captured the VIN number of the vehicle that I click this button on, the type of test drive I want. So this is our mini needs assessment. I can go ahead and complete that. This is also then going to give us our appointment confirmation sheet. And what's really cool about this too is we have an appointment day and appointment time. When that email comes over, let me actually see if I can show you this. Yeah, so let me share my iPhone screen. This is actually a brand new feature that's going to come out next week. But you can see what happens is we are able to include that appointment right in the email confirmation. So here's my email confirmation for that lead I just completed a second ago. It shows that I schedule an appointment, so it's Saturday at 3:30, and that is automatically going to incorporate into my right into my Google Calendar or any calendar application. So that automatically comes over right in that email. Very excited about that new enhancement. Again, that's coming, that's going to be released next week. So now let's say that I want to go ahead and let's pick a different vehicle. Let's pick something that has a little. Let's pick up something that's a little bit newer here. All right, so this, like I said, this is our test environment. It runs a little bit slower than our normal environment. Sometimes doesn't want to play nice with me. But what I'm trying to do, let me just pull up a vehicle. So what I want to do is I want to jump in and nope, that one, not vehicle's not in there. Basically, what I'm looking at doing is start my digital retailing experience on the dealership website. I'll go ahead and start this one right here. You can see all of this information automatically fills out here. So I can basically just jump right into the next part of the process. And if I would have already gotten my trade value through a different tool, that also would automatically populate here. So actually, let's go ahead and do that. So this is a big miss for most solution providers. Let's say, for example, I am trading this vehicle in here and I have this VIN number. I'm just gonna copy that. And then I get my offer through our Express Cash Offer solution. Actually, that's our Express Cash Offer solution. I can enter my VIN. I can grab my state and my miles. Of course, when I get to this screen here, first name, last name, email address, phone number is already there, so I don't have to re-enter it. I let the dealership know how I rate my vehicle. I can answer some of these questions here if I want to. I can come here. I can upload images for my vehicle if I want to, which about 15% of the customers will do that. And then again, you can see here's my Express Cash offer, we have that really cool animation. And I can go ahead and schedule an appointment. And when I schedule an appointment again, this will come into my email with that calendar invite already there. And then this becomes my certificate, again, that handoff from the online experience into the showroom experience. And if I come back here and then I want to start my, if I want to start my deal, let's say this vehicle here, it's too many miles on it. Go something a little bit lower miles. Yeah, we'll start it anyways. Okay, so all the customer's information, I click next here, and then we have the VIN number, the state, and the miles already pre-filled. And then I can walk through the process. We have the customer refresh this information, but it's going to provide them the exact same value that they're going to get through the digital retailing tool as they did through the trade tool. Many dealership websites have a separate trade tool from what is incorporated into the digital retailing tool. So you as a dealer could be actually providing multiple different trade values. I can actually look up my payoff, which I'm going to go ahead and do here. You can see here that I've already got first name, last name, and physical address because I've entered that in previously. I can go ahead and get that trade payoff. In this case, it looks like the integration did not work quite right there. So I can go ahead and enter my value. But normally, when it's not in the test environment, it's just going to show existing car loans from your soft credit pull. It shows the overall value, again, with that animation. I can add images if I want. And like I said, about 15% of customers are going to do that. Then I'm going to get to the payment section of the solution, or I can do things like get pre-qualified. I can get pre-qualified right here. This is going to do that pre-qualification, all that information. And then it would actually show that overall credit score and calculate a deal based on that credit score. So all of this is fully incorporated. And of course, we have finance products. I can do a deal with finance products, without finance products. In this case, I have a few that I have selected here. I can change my term, change my down payment. I can complete my credit application, which I'll go ahead and do. And some of the stuff we save to the customer's record, and some of it we don't. Like anything that would be considered PII, since this is a secure credit application, none of that we're going to store in the session itself. So this information, the customer would have the option of re-adding. But I want to show you how cool this is when I get to the certificate. So I can, as a customer, I can schedule a VIP delivery at the dealership or request a delivery at home or at work. Appointment day part, appointment time. Again, when that email response comes to me, I'm going to have that appointment scheduler right for my calendar. I can let the salesperson know what type of test drive I want to take on, and I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. Now, what's really cool about this, what you're going to find, is now this gives me my full deal package. And if it was me, if I was working at a store right now, I would build out one of these for all of my customers and use this for my quoting system. Because just look at this. Here's the appointment certificate. Here's my deal, the way that I have it built. You can see I completed the credit application here. I have a couple finance products that I've selected as something that would be important to me. I got my price. I got my trade. I got my estimated credit score. I have my appointment time date and time right there. I have my payment range between 371 and 407, fully disclosed. So if I even zoom up on this, you can see that's fully disclosed. So sales manager, finance manager, they can just pop in here and get that information. They don't have to wonder how that got quoted. It's fully disclosed. We have our trade value certificate showing the different values based on the star ratings, all of how it was configured, the offer itself, the offer certificate. All of that is included right in this system. So I can go ahead and print that off, and you can see how that would print off for the customer. You can print all that off, put it in a folder, wait for the customer to come for their appointment, and then you're off to the races, having just a true VIP experience. So trade value, credit score, full digital retailing, scheduling an appointment, shared data across all of these different platforms. So what we're talking about today is to be able to provide this next level experience utilizing Intice 360 as your primary website platform. Some of the things that we cover today is the model research pages, the specials pages, the video specials and how they integrate, the service specials with the listings landing page and the detail pages, and then the fully incorporated digital retailing tools, giving the customer the ability to get their free credit score, schedule a test drive to test drive a vehicle, get pre-qualified, get a real offer from your dealership, just like Carvana, CarMax, Vroom, Shift, all these giant used car retailers, and complete a full retail deal right on your dealership website. So, hey, I always appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. Sometimes I know they can get quite long. This is one of them as well. If you're still with me, do me a favor, just give me a thumbs up in the comments below. And of course, like any other YouTube video, if you want to see these videos as I put them out, please do me a favor, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. You're going to find this video plus many others at intice.com.